Hi everyone, this is Abena. I'd like to thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Embrace Natural Beauty, where it has been my goal to share with you simple tips and techniques that have been helpful to me in my very own natural hair journey, which has been just over 6 years now, that have helped me to maintain my hair, to keep it in good condition, and to retain length, which was always my goal. Because I want all of you who watch and who follow me to better maintain your hair, to keep it in good condition, and to retain length if that happens to be your goal, so that you enjoy your hair and embrace natural beauty of your own. Today in this video, I have the pleasure of sharing with you some great news. Over the years, a number of you have been asking me about how to moisturize your low porosity hair. And a couple of years ago, I provided a very extensive video with several tips that had been very helpful for a number of you. And then over the course of the past several years in the salon where I work as a professional stylist, I have been working with so many clients who have predominantly low porosity hair to perfect the technique of getting moisture into their hair. And so I finally have developed a way or provided a way to share this information that has been exclusive to my clients up until now. I have launched a website, a new platform for showcasing my videos at more higher definition and detail. And so I invite you to click the link below in the description box for washandgonaturalhair.com, and there you will see a tried and true technique that I developed in the salon on my clients who have low porosity hair to ensure that they get the moisture that they need. And also for those of you who have high porosity hair who've been asking me what products can you use or what techniques can you use, guess what? The technique works for you as well. So before you go over there, just to give you a little bit of more information that's going to be helpful to you, just in case you just want to know, you just gotta know. I have concluded that with all the products that have been on the market, it still takes a process, a technique to effectively moisturize low porosity hair. And I've perfected it time and time again. It's tried and true on my clients and on myself. So I invite you to click the link down below for washandgonaturalhair.com. Come over and see exactly what I'm talking about. Thank you.